Hi, my name is Juan Carlos Das. I am 30 years old. I was born in Valledupar, Cesar. I am Colombian current. I live in Maicao, Guajira. My father is Juan Daza Vega and my mother is Evelis Helms. I have four brothers. Now I like my wife Cindy and I have two sons, Khaled and Esteban. Khaled is 4 years old. Esteban is 2 years old. I am. I study electronic engineering. I in UNAD. I like to play football. I like going to the stadium to watch football match. I like traveling with my family and see the last caves. I don't like going to the hospital. I don't like to fight with other people. I don't like to say like and have hate while win some. One insult my family in Santa Marta. I was a great trip. When it was there, I went to Rodadero Beach. Rodadero Beach. The last cake is amazing. The sea is so beautiful. I, the, I in the night in ate at Buritacan restaurant. The experience was wonderful. I am flying to Bogota. On this December, I am studying at Paraíso Hotel. I am visiting my parents the next month on February. I am traveling with my family to Mayapo Beach. Thank you.